Coronavirus news now. The Department of Health today reported 63 additional cases of COVID-19. That's 33 on Oahu, 14 for the Big Island, 7 on Maui, 4 on Kauai, and 5 more residents who were diagnosed out of state. There have now been almost 86,000 cases reported since the start of the pandemic, and there are about 1,300 cases in Hawaii that are now considered active. Well, the Department of Health did not report any more COVID-related deaths today, so the death toll still remains at 977. But the state also reports 77% of the state's eligible population is now fully vaccinated. That's everyone ages 5 and up. There have now been more than 1 million completed COVID vaccine doses, and there are about 395,000 people who are not fully vaccinated. Well, the country's administered nearly 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines to the groups ages 5 through 11 across the U.S. And now hundreds of schools across the country are dropping their mask mandates as more kids continue to receive their vaccines. Some are making masks optional, while others have completely dismissed that idea. The news is pushing health experts to encourage more parents to get their children vaccinated, but believe for now masks should be worn to protect both students and staff.
Getting vaccinated also helps keep our schools open, children's sports going, and helps our children maintain a more normal lifestyle.
Studies conducted by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention found outbreaks in schools are far more likely to happen in schools with no mask mandate. Now, Pfizer is asking the FDA for emergency use authorization for its experimental antiviral pill to treat COVID-19. It's a clinical trial, and the drug showed an 89% reduction in the risk of hospitalization or death in patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. Now, the new pill has to be administered alongside an older antiviral with the first 3 days of COVID symptoms to be effective.